Alright guys, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box break. This time I'm doing a box of 2010-2011 Panini Zenith that ended last night on eBay. That would be April the 4th between 7:15 and 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The last team that ended was the Winnipeg Jets. They ended at 7:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Current eBay time is 2:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on the 5th. I am live right now on RYDLAR99.tv. I'm going to throw that over here so you can see it. I'm going to do the break right now. Get all ready and then put up to YouTube so everybody can see the video. Alright guys, I'm going to throw this back on the other side so I can read that screen while I'm doing the break. So you can see that part. And there's the serial number, NE93192684. Wanted to say also, you're always all welcome to come join me as I do the breaks live. I do them usually between 1 and 5 p.m. the next day for the eBay breaks. So there's one's going then, and I do have live breaks in the evening. So tonight, for example, is Friday night. I'm going to have a 3-box mini going on with random teams. It's $18 a spot, as well as a 14-box TGIF break with the Cup Dominion and a bunch of other good stuff in there, and that is $79 a spot, and you get to draft your own team. Alright, so let's get going. Serial number is, as I said before, it should be the exact same one because I checked it, 93192684684. 684, last 3 digits. This is, of course, a sealed box of Zenith. You wouldn't want me to do it any other way. I wouldn't do it any other way. I want to thank everybody for participating in this break. Wish everybody good luck. Mind you, I do not have any eBay breaks going again until Monday night, so if you want to take part in my breaks, the only way to are the off eBay breaks for tonight, and I have another one on Sunday night, a 3-box mini on Sunday night as well. If you want to take part in my breaks. I also have cases of the Cup and Dominion on Sunday. Base cards do not ship out of Zenith, so let's get rolling. Kopitar, slide this over just a bit so I get a little more room here. Sedin, we have a Mosaics for the Dallas Stars of Daly, Ben, and Richards. Daly, Ben, and Richards. We have a Winter Warriors, Kerry Lettinen for the Dallas Stars. Lettinen Stars, Winter Warriors. A Brad Marchand and a Bobby Ryan. So 2 hits for Dallas right out of the gate there. Not too bad. Antiniemi, Jason Pominville, Dave Schultz for the Philadelphia Flyers. Gets shipped as base legends for the Flyers. A Decoy, Bruce Galov, and Sam Gagner. Halak, Letang, we have a Z rookie out of 999 for the Montreal Canadiens, Andreas Enquist out of 999. Enquist. We have a jersey swatch, Jay Bouwmeester for the Calgary Flames. We're just trying to get that focus kick in there. Bouwmeester for the Flames, Leopold, and Danny Heatley. Jonathan Quick, we have a auto rookie for the New York Rangers of Ryan McDonough out of 999 on the back, but I believe the auto variations are a little bit lower print. Ryan McDonough. We have base legends of Joe Sakic for the Colorado Avalanche. That also gets shipped. A Decoy, a Gimla, and Dustin Brown. Fight my way into a bag here. Luongo, we have another auto rookie. 2 in a box, that's pretty good. Kyle Palmieri out of 999, the Anaheim Ducks. And we have a Rod Gilbert, base legends for the New York Rangers. A Decoy, Marlowe, and Carter. Habibulin, Orolison, we have a Creases the Word, Jimmy Howard for the Wings. Creases the Word, Jimmy Howard for the Wings. There we go. Try to get the right angle there. We have for the Winnipeg Jets / Atlanta Thrashers, Winter Warriors, Eric Bolton. Wisniewski and Mike Richards. Miller, we have a redemption, which I'm going to leave till the last second here. We have a Darren Pang, the Chicago Blackhawks. Base Legends. The Decoy, Price, and Wolski. Let's check out the redemption. We have an auto rookie, number 203. Let's see what that is here. Got the checklist. I have rookies number 203 for the Chicago Blackhawks. In the same column that my finger's in, about halfway down. Jeremy Moran for the Chicago Blackhawks. Pack number, 3 packs left, guys. Kiprasov, Malkin. We have a rookie roll call for the Phoenix Coyotes of Oliver Ekman-Larsson. OEL. The Coyotes. We have for the Boston Bruins, Gregory Campbell, Winter Warriors. Gregory Campbell. Henrik Lundqvist and Sidney Crosby. Andre Mazzaros, we have for the St. Louis Blues, Yaroslav Halak. Red parallel. We have for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Doug Gilmour. Base Legends. Leafs. A Decoy, Kane, and Jokin. Last pack. Good luck, everybody. Thanks, John. Clark MacArthur, Nick Backstrom. We have for the New York Rangers, Ryan Callahan, Gifted Grinders. We have for the Anaheim Ducks, pretty cool, George Peros. Nice mustache. Epics with the jersey swatch out of 100. Focus kick in. Gotta show off the stash. Does not like this card though. George Peros out of 100. It's number 10 out of 100 on the back. Doesn't like the shine. Andrew Ladd and Brad Richards round out the base cards of that pack. Alright, Dare to Tear time. Good luck to all. You can get some really nice stuff out of the Dare to Tear. Or you can get nothing. That's why it's called Dare to Tear. Henrik Sedin. It's going to get ripped open here. And I do butcher it. Who said out of 99? There might be out of 99, actually. What do you guys think? Oh, I better take this out carefully. These FX cards are a little bit sticky. Might be. Oh, it's not an FX though, is it? Boom! Shakalaka. Auto rookie Nazem Kadri out of 99 gold. See, did a psych job with it. One of the hottest players in the NHL right now for the Leafs. Out of 99. $61 out of 99. My Zenith is good Zenith. I don't know why. This is 2 out of 99s in 2 days, I think, for Zenith. Or maybe 3 days. Anyways, that's it for the box of Zenith. I want to thank everyone for taking part in the break. Remember, I have no boxes going tonight on eBay, nothing till Monday night, but I do have a 3-box mini live on RYDLAR99.tv or on Vaughn Live. You can watch on either stream, as well as a big 14-box TGIF, and you're all welcome to come participate. Have a good one, guys. just email me or go in through the website. Have a good one.